Welcome to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're diving into the world of on-chain development tools, specifically shining a light on something called InkKit. Now, if you're a developer or even just tech curious, this episode has a lot of gems that'll make your coding journey a bit more magical. So what exactly is InkKit? Imagine this, you're building an app and you want to make it look stunning without spending hours frantically coding the layout from scratch. That's where InkKit comes in. It's an on-chain-focused SDK that's all about giving developers a delightful experience. With ready-to-use app layout templates, vibrant themes, and even magical animated components, it's like having a toolbox filled with everything you need to create polished, engaging interfaces. Now, first things first, what do you need to get started with InkKit? Well, you can easily install it using npm or pnpm. Just a couple of commands, and you're off and running. How simple is that? And here's where it gets even cooler. You don't just import it, you get to style it as well. You begin by importing the styles at the root of your project before bringing in individual components. This setup helps ensure that your custom classes take precedence, avoiding any CSS conflicts. You know what they say, the foundation is key. Let's talk about those components for a minute. Did you know you can create beautiful buttons in just a few lines of code? Picture this. You want to add a button that says "Ship it." With InkKit, you can do just that with just a tiny bit of code. It's super user-friendly and efficient, making your development process smoother than ever. Now I'd like to touch on a fascinating feature, the themes. InkKit comes with various themes like light, dark, contrast, and neo, which means you can easily set the mood for your app. Want your users to feel energized? Go for light or neo. Feeling a bit more mysterious? Dark is your friend. And if none of those fit the bill, don't worry. You can create custom themes by overriding CSS variables. Talk about flexibility. But let's pause here for a moment. Isn't it interesting how aesthetics can significantly affect user experience? Choosing the right theme can actually change how people interact with your app. Speaking of interactions, have you ever stumbled upon a website or app that really captivated you with its animations? Well, InkKit has magical animated components that can really elevate your app's engagement factor. Just imagine how those little touches can create a delightful experience for your users. As we wrap up, let's reflect on a few key takeaways. InkKit is making on-chain development easier and more fun with its ready-to-use templates, vibrant themes, and magical components. It's all about enhancing the developer experience while creating engaging interfaces. If you're interested in diving deeper, check out the documentation, which is super accessible. And remember, this is just the beginning. InkKit is a work in progress. The creators are constantly improving the components and fixing bugs, so there are exciting developments ahead. Before I let you go, here's something to ponder. How do you think tools like InkKit will shape the future of app development? Will they set new standards for user experience? Thank you for tuning in today. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and as always, stay curious.